Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered what's out there? What are those points of light? Are we alone in the universe? It's a question that has fascinated humans for centuries. But it's also a question that has driven some of our greatest scientific discoveries. And one man's contribution to those discoveries is more than you might think. This is George Carruthers, a man who quite literally helped put a lens on the universe. He was born in 1939 and grew up in a segregated housing project in Chicago. But even as a kid, he was already interested in science. At the age of just 10, he built his first telescope out of a cardboard box and a magnifying glass. And that's when he knew he wanted to be an engineer. After studying physics in college, he earned his PhD and became the first black physicist to work for NASA. But his career didn't take off without a few bumps along the way. When he started working for NASA in the 1960s, the space program was still very much a boys' club. There were no facilities for black engineers, and he was often the only black person in his department. But he persevered, eventually rising to become the head of his department and making significant contributions to some of NASA's most important missions. He's best known for inventing the UV camera spectrograph, a device that allows scientists to see the universe in ultraviolet light. This device was used on the Apollo missions to the Moon and on the Voyager missions to Mars and Jupiter. It also formed the basis for the cameras used on the Hubble Space Telescope. But George didn't stop there. He also worked on developing X-ray binoculars, which can see even further into space than ultraviolet light can. And he helped develop the first X-ray telescope, which was launched into space in 1999. Throughout his career, he held numerous patents and was awarded many honors, including induction into the National Inventors Hall of Fame. But perhaps his greatest legacy is the students he mentored. He was a passionate advocate for STEM education, particularly for students in underserved communities. He believed that everyone should have the opportunity to learn about and explore science, and he worked tirelessly to make that a reality. So next time you look up at the stars, remember George Carruthers, the man who helped us see the universe in a whole new light. His story is one of brilliance, perseverance, and a dedication to making the world a better place. A true inspiration to us all. Thank you for watching this episode. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe so you never miss an exciting episode. Until then, keep looking up.